here we are on the forest floor, and you can see a complex array of leaf litter stages of decay, where we have fresh leaves to dried out leaves to skeletonized leaves that insects have degraded. And as these are breaking down and then worms and other insects are processing the soil, we start to get this more complex friable soil that contains larger particles and what's called an improved soil structure. So that refers to this space between the particles in the soil. So that's turning what would have likely been clay soil or quite compacted agricultural soil from years of hooves into a soil that you can just see from the very surface is starting to separate and form into these larger particles. Bless you. And that's all of this leaf matter is breaking down and forming food for the insects that when we move the leaf litter aside, you can often see seeds in the soil, insects moving around, and that's helping to enrich the soil. Also, the trees that have been planting, as they grow, start to take nutrient from the ground, from the water, and from the air. They're then exuding nutrient through exudates in their roots. And all of that's improving the quality and character of the soil. And as that happens, we start to get a better water filtration process. So where water comes and rains down onto a paddock and then washes off into a creek, we often get degradative effects where there's a lot of turbidity and silt in the water, but where the forest is able to make this more and more friable soil, the water is able to sink into the soil as it moves along, and that's a really preferable effect for water quality.